the Turkish brand that stops the world. Büyük Eker Bijon. In 1984, in a workshop in an area of 45 square meters, Eker brothers established their family company with one lathe. So with lathe and leveling works, their trade life began. In 1989, Eker started production of wheel bolts and wheel nuts, continued its development and was incorporated in 1994. In 1998, the factory was moved to a new place in Konya Industrial Zone. Eker Bijon, with the open foundry in the end of 1998, caught a rapid growth trend and included brake drums and discs for heavy trucks and commercial vehicles into its production program. The world brand Eker Bijon, with the manufacturing of brake drum, brake disc, wheel bolt, wheel nut, slack adjuster, suspension air spring, caliper parts, has taken place among the most reliable and most preferred corporations in the automotive industry in domestic and overseas markets, and it has created the management policy in this direction. Wheel bolt, wheel nut. Eker that started production of wheel bolt and nut in 1989 produces hot and cold forging of wheel bolts and nuts as two main groups. Our cold metal forging plant has a production capacity of 3,600 pieces per hour and approximately 800,000 pieces of wheel bolts per month. Our hot forging plant manufactures 100,000 pieces of wheel bolts and 200,000 pieces of wheel nut per month. The metals used in hot forging are heated up to their austenitization temperature and are put into molds for shaping under the forging presses. Brake drum, disc, flywheel. The day when Eker Bijon started production of brake drum, brake disc and flywheel in 1998, it used to produce 20 pieces. And as a result of its investments in technology and human resources, it succeeded now greatly in producing 300,000 pieces of brake drums and 140,000 pieces of discs and flywheels a year. Slack adjuster. Eker Bijon started production of brake adjusters in 2007 and now monthly manufactures 12,000 pieces of manual and full automatic slack adjusters. All brake adjuster parts used in the assembly stage are produced 100% with Eker quality. Brake adjusters that we produce pass through distance setting up test, longevity test, salt tests, and the body production is controlled by the 3-dimension coordinate measurement device. Moreover, as a result of diligent work of our R&D engineers, Eker Bijon has the patent for the gear mechanism used in brake adjusters. Suspension air spring. Eker Bijon in 2009 began to produce suspension air springs for heavy-duty trucks and commercial vehicles that, by making the maximum friction between the tires and the road, raised the optimum driving stability and provided perfect turn. With the production capacity of 10,000 pieces per month, our air spring department manufactures roll-type, complete-type air springs with and without metal or plastic piston and convoluted air springs. Foundry and automatic line. Eker Bijon, in the end of 1998, added the foundry plant to its construction. Eker Bijon, that continued to invest in this area, in 2012 started to invest in a new foundry plant of 61,000 square meters with 22,000 square meters of closed area, and completing its investment met 2014 with the full capacity production mode. In our foundry, with annual capacity of 40,000 tons of cast iron and ductile iron castings, an automatic casting line operates, with each production stage equipped with the latest technology. and the melting process of 18 tons of metal is carried out per hour. With application of advanced engineering and together with the improved performance technology, there are 2 full automatic molding lines available, one of which has a capacity of 120 and the other 60 molds in an hour. Nature and environment conscious Eker Bijon, in accordance with Turkey and world standards with its dust retention system, emits maximum 1 micron of dust into the atmosphere. In order to deliver the products flawlessly to our customers, manufactured products go through tests by all standards in our measurement and material laboratories. In 2004, Eker Bijon, by taking ISO 9001 quality certificate, presented its quality suitability to the world standards. And starting from the last quarter of 2013, accelerated its efforts in this direction of receiving ISO TS 16949 quality certificate, 14001 environmental management systems, and 18001 OHSAS occupational health and safety management systems certificate. Environmentally conscious and respectful to society, Eker Bijon that exports to 7 continents and up to 100 countries adds value to the country's and the world's economy, and is proud to have captured the international customers' faith in Eker brand and to be a demanded and chosen brand. Being a family-owned company, Eker Bijon, by spreading its family warmth to the work they do, see more than 300 of their employees, customers and suppliers as a part of Eker's family. Eker Bijon, with guarantee of success and sustainability of production, with the policy "Service is the integrity and quality," expresses its gratitude to the customers that show their interest and loyalty. Your speed under control.